Hi, Algebra Essentials students. I'm going to explain to you the new platform that we're going to use to learn math for the next few weeks of remote learning. If you have any questions after watching this video, feel free to send me, Mr. D, or Ms. Chapman an email or a remind message, and we can help you. So here we go. When you log into your Google Classroom, just like you did before, Algebra Essentials, click on Classwork. And you're going to see some new links on here. So first thing you do right when you log in, click on the questions to stay connected. We're in week 1. So click on your week 1 question, view the question. This week's is what is one of your hobbies that you can still do while staying at home? So you would respond to that. Mine would be ping pong. And there you go. This is my husband's. Okay, so you can see everybody's hobbies. It's just a way for us to stay socially connected to each other. So back to the classwork on Algebra Essentials. After you answer your weekly question, then you can click on your new weekly schedule link. Instead of posting an assignment every day on Google Classroom to learn math from home, you're going to click on this Algebra Essentials schedule link below, at least twice a week to access all the math materials. So I was saying twice a week to follow the district schedule that you got in your email to log in twice a week. Grades are going to be posted on Infinite Campus for you to see. Mr. DeFelice, Ms. Versalis, that's me, and Ms. Chapman are going to post on this calendar link each week. So complete all the assignments. We all care about you so much. We miss you. We wish we were still in class together. We want you to still be able to learn from home. So use this link, email or remind message us if you have any questions. So click on the link. And we have on this link all 8 weeks already laid out for you, so you can kind of see what's going to happen. So I'll walk you through the 8 weeks and then focus in on this week. This week we're going to review for our unit test on writing equations of lines. Next week we'll have a unit test and then we'll reflect on that test. That's week 2. Week 3 we'll start our last unit, which is systems of equations. Week 4 and 5 we'll also work on that last unit learning. Week 6 we'll have a test on that unit and reflect. And then we'll have finals review and finals. So right now we're doing remote learning through April. We're scheduled to go back to school in May, which will have our test on this last unit and reflect. We'll do some catch-up work, and then we'll have finals. So that's the plan for the 8 weeks through the end of the school year. Whether it's all remote learning or going back to school, we're not sure yet. So let's focus in on this week. So week 1, it's this week. All we're doing this week is reviewing for your Unit 6 test. So hopefully you've already watched this welcome video. That's the link to it again. And then you're going to complete your Alex 20 homework. So log on to Alex, complete the assignment. That's all you have to do this week. Optional extra review for next week's test is on this link here. You can click on it. There's answers on there too. And then if you need help with any of the Alex assignment, or if you're choosing to do the optional practice and you need help with that, sign up for office hours. This is new by clicking here. So let's look at what that is. Algebra Essentials Tutoring. So if you have a question that you think you can be answered through remind message or email, just like you did before, just message one of us anytime. But if you have a question, math question or other school-related question, issue, then you can sign up on this form to meet face-to-face virtually with one of your Algebra Essentials teachers, and we'll invite you to a Google meeting. So here's how it works. If you're, let's just say you're in second period and you're available from 11:30 to 11:45, then you would write your name. And we'll send you a link to log into at 11:30 to meet with one of your math teachers. Don't delete anyone's names. That's not nice. If these slots are filled up and you really wanted to join the group session, you can add a 5th or 6th slot to a group session. But again, don't delete anyone's names. If you can't meet during one of these times, but you do have a question that you want to meet with us face-to-face, just email one of us and we can make it happen. Okay. So again, you're going to go to your Google Classroom. You're going to use this weekly schedule link to figure out what you need to do for that week, which this week is ALEX 20. That's what you have to do, ALEX 20. And then use the tutoring link if you have any questions. Okay? Let us know if you need help. Bye.